Melbourne Central is a large shopping centre, office, and public transport hub in the city of Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. It was designed by Japanese architect Kisho Kurokawa and opened in 1991. The complex includes the Melbourne Central Shopping Centre, which was refurbished in 2005 by architects Arm Architecture. Melbourne Central Railway Station, part of the City Loop Underground Railway and formerly called Museum Station, and the 211-metre-high Melbourne Central Office Tower with its distinctive pair of communications masts. The shopping centre is located at the corner of La Trobe and Swanston Streets in the heart of the Melbourne Central Business District. It covers an area of 55,100 square metres and has 250 stores and services. The shopping centre features a large glass cone, which houses the heritage-listed Coupe Shot Tower, a 50-metre-high tower built in 1888 for the production of lead shot. The tower was incorporated into the shopping center in a way that preserves its original structure and appearance. The shopping center offers a variety of dining options, ranging from fast food to fine dining. There are several food courts, cafes, bars, and restaurants located throughout the center. Some of the popular eateries include New Shanghai, Seoul Origin. The center also hosts various events and promotions throughout the year, such as the Fun Labs Day of Fun, the Mid-Autumn Festival, the Black Truffle Season at New Shanghai. The shopping center is open from 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. on Monday to Wednesday, from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. on Thursday to Saturday, and from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Sunday. The shopping center is easily accessible by public transport as it is connected to the Melbourne Central Railway Station, which serves as a major interchange for suburban trains. The station is also part of the City Loop, a circular underground railway that connects the city centre with other parts of Melbourne. The shopping center has a parking facility that can accommodate up to 1,600 vehicles. The parking rates are $6 per hour for the first 2 hours and $12 per hour thereafter. There is also a flat rate of $12 for entry after 5 p.m. on weekdays and all day on weekends. Melbourne Central is one of the most popular and iconic shopping destinations in Melbourne. It attracts millions of visitors every year with its diverse range of shops, services, entertainment, and cultural attractions. It is also a landmark of modern architecture and urban design, blending historical elements with contemporary features. Melbourne Central is more than just a shopping center. It is a vibrant and dynamic part of the city's life. Melbourne Central Shopping Centre is located in Melbourne, Victoria, Vic 3000. Melbourne Central Shopping Centre offers more than 250 stores and other services such as cinemas or restaurants. Get information about opening hours, store list directions with map and GPS. Melbourne Central Shopping Centre is located on address 211 La Trobe St, Melbourne, Victoria, Vic 3000. more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide playlist. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.